so this is how she's looking. Okay. Hey loves, it's Cam. So today's my 6-week update, and I wanted to give you guys a look at my hair before I crash. I just came from my store, but we were taking pictures and things, so pardon if you see like soap. It's like all over my shirt. You know, I had on the apron. So yeah, it is what it is. So, but today is my 6-week update on my locks, my Sisterlocks. I am so amazed and so happy with my Sisterlocks. I'm so happy I took this journey. I've been actually keeping it real simple. I've still been spraying my scalp once a day, minimum, and then massaging my scalp once I do that. And then if I'm going out like for a hike, or I'm going playing basketball, or just anything that's going to cause me to sweat, or if I'm going to be in the water. I haven't been in the water submerged yet, so I'm waiting on that one. I'm waiting for my swim cap to come, because it's a larger size, and it's actually a size that's meant for like big hair. So I would classify my locks as that. So I'm waiting for that. But I've been keeping it real simple. But if I do those activities, I'm actually 2-strand twisting my hair, and then I'm keeping those in until my hair dry, and then taking them out if I want to. If I don't want to take them out, then I just keep them in. Okay, I just keep them in and rock that. So I did buy some headbands. If you guys want to see those, I'll show you. So I do have some videos for my earlier weeks of my hair, but I may post this one since I'm going in for my retwist in a couple days. It would be like 6.5 weeks for my first retwist, so I'm excited. And then I saw my video of my 2-week, and I was like, whoa, like my hair looks so much different now than it did then. So it's really a good idea to document your hair, because it changes before you even realize it. So if there's any questions that you guys want me to ask my loctician, let me know. Her name is Mona, and she's in Berkeley, Michigan. I don't think she minds me giving out her business information. She's like phenomenal. Okay, Mona's awesome. And she'll tell you just like it is, and I like those kind of people personally. Okay. And so, but yeah, she installed my twists. And I'll do some more videos on how the process was. Like, I'm so in love with them. It's not even funny. Like, I'm just like, I keep touching them now when I talk to the camera, but even outside of this, so I don't keep my hands a lot in my hair. I do touch them because it's hard not to touch them. But I have noticed that I do have quite a bit of growth, so I'm looking forward to how the retwist is going to look. But I still have all my baby locks. They still stayed in through this process. Yay! So yeah, so this is how she's looking. Okay. I'm literally exhausted, and my dog is like, we're going for a walk, so let me walk him and then I can rest. So till next time, love and peace always. Peace and love. And if you have not, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it, and like this. And again, if you have any questions you want me to ask Mona, drop them in the comments. Okay, till next time, love and peace always. Peace and love. Bye.